Easy, easy. Watch the edge. Got it. Bring it down slowly.
Thickness is within tolerance.
Consistency looks good on this batch.
The waterproof backsheet is applied underneath the pad for leak protection.
All layers are pressed together to form the basic structure of the pad.
Each pad is separated and spaced evenly for the next process.
This yellow packet branding is off-center.
pull it from the line.
Look at this data point in the inspection report here.
That doesn't align with the production logs.
Yeah.
We need to quarantine that entire shipment immediately.
Random samples from each batch are sent to the lab for further testing.
Watch the clearance, bring it in.
All right, setting it down.
Confirm, seal bay 6.
Drivers receive digital manifests and delivery instructions. Is that module secured?
Yes, locked down.
System checks complete. Ready for activation.
As you can see, daily output spiked here at the end of the quarter, but efficiency dipped slightly.
Is that dip consistent across all?
Adherence to these safety protocols is mandatory for everyone.
What about the new equipment on level 3? Yeah.
We'll cover that in the next section.
The electronics components are scheduled to arrive Monday morning.
I see the confirmation from the supplier here.
Good. That keeps the production line on schedule.
Reviewing the quality control data, the trend in production line defects is concerning. We must address this immediately.
I agree.
Customers are clearly unhappy with the aesthetics and ease of use. We should focus the redesign on these two areas.
Agreed. Let's prioritize the interface adjustments immediately.
Adjust the pressure valve here. We should see the thermal load decrease. Applying the change now.
System response confirms stabilization. Efficiency is up 3%.
This update addresses the discrepancies in the tracking data. We just need to deploy it.
Done. The update is now live across all instances.
Perfect. The visualization is much clearer.
That cardboard shouldn't be on this line. Contamination level is high today.
Noted. We need to issue a non-compliance report.
Describe a time you successfully implemented a new efficiency protocol in a production environment.
Certainly, we integrated a lean manufacturing system which improved output significantly.
Maintaining a sterile environment is everyone's responsibility. Pay close attention to these safety protocols and be sure.
As you can see, the robotic arm performs the welding sequence with millimeter precision.
Yeah. And what about the throughput on this line?
Everyone remain calm and proceed to the assembly point. Move quickly away from the building.
We are incredibly proud to receive the Quality Certified Award for 2024.
Thank you.
Check the wiring harness on Module 4.
It's secure. Ready for activation sequence.
Initiating test run. Look at that speed.
Calibration sequence finished on Unit 4.
Data logs match the specifications. It's good to go.
Looking at the monthly statistics, production efficiency is up significantly.
Is that sustainable with the current supply chain issues?
We believe it is, based on these projections here.
I understand the issue, and let me check your warranty status.
Have you tried restarting the device using the guide I sent you?
Come on, everyone, keep going. You're doing great.
Look at them go. This is such a great event for the community.
Look at this data point here. The structural integrity after fluid exposure is holding up remarkably well.
Agreed. That confirms the viability of the new composite material.
Congratulations on your outstanding performance this year.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
The articulation on this prototype is much smoother.
Look at the torque readings. They align with yesterday's adjustments.
Efficiency is up almost 15% on this cycle.
Welcome to Innovate Auto. As you can see, the future of manufacturing is already here.
These robotic arms increase our efficiency dramatically.
Prioritizing your well-being means addressing stress proactively.
That's right. How many of you feel the pressure of a long shift affecting your eating habits? This is where the fault is located according to the schematic.
The sensor readings confirm it's this module.
All right, I'm adjusting the connection now.
All checks complete on batch 42.
Excellent. Get it loaded immediately for the export shipment.
Make sure these surfaces are spotless. The inspection team will check the stoves first. Temperatures logged and within range.
Counters are sanitized, Chef. We're ready here.